Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week's video, we're going to show you how we decorated our risers with Kumiko patterns.
Well, this has been the first time in about 7 years that we actually missed posting videos 2 weeks in a row. Been a little bit under the weather, got a nice case of bronchitis. I'm getting better, so ready to go again. Anyhow, we've been planning on this for a while, and I have been a huge fan of the Kumiko work. I don't have the skills or talent to actually make real Kumiko, but I do have lasers, and so we were able to duplicate some Kumiko patterns, cut out some wood, and we decorated our risers on this one. So we're going to show you how we did that. Okay, I've been wanting to do something with the Kumiko for a long time. It never dawned on me to use the risers. I'm not even sure why I suddenly thought about that. But it's something that I am really happy about. That turned out really nice, and actually when we're done and I look at it, it just looks like each riser is its own shoji screen, like a Japanese door in a beautiful house. So I am personally super happy about it.
Me too.
All right. Next week, we got a couple things going on here. Again, we have some companies that reached out to us and have asked us to make some videos for them. We're kind of deciding which one we're going to be able to do first. We also have a few other things that I need to do at home. I've got a few customers that have asked me to make some things that are a little bit different from what we normally do. So I might show how we actually make those, because it's different from the normal signs that we do with epoxy. So we've got quite a bit going on here. We'll figure out which is which. And hopefully we'll be well enough to bring you a video next week. So until we meet again,
Bye-bye.